how to get raccoon in Grow a Garden. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can get raccoon in Grow a Garden. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to get raccoon in Grow a Garden, there are a couple of things that you can follow. The first is if you follow any creator that is hosting a giveaway. Normally they do this type of giveaway. You could simply participate in those giveaways, and after you participate in those giveaways, you should be able to get some type of raccoons in Grow a Garden. Otherwise, another way that I would recommend you is by simply purchasing it. So I will recommend you this website called ShopBloxs.com, which I'll make sure to drop a link. And this is not a sponsored video, so I have no any affiliation with the website. I'm just showing it for you. When you come to this website, from the top right hand side, you can see the search bar. And of course, you just want to go ahead and then search for raccoon. And when you go ahead and then do search for raccoon, you'll find every function or whatever this bit actually does. And if you want to buy and confirm it, just click on the buy it now button and you will see the price. And of course, you want to go ahead and then enter your contact email if you want to. Add in a payment method like your card number, expiration date, security code or name on your card, and confirm the transaction. And once done, you will be able to go ahead and then basically get a raccoon. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.